to this match with 33 season victories.
And that lead for raising his package, she's collected those 4 mid-point points, the lead early 8-3. First time remaining in period 2. Well, we're 2 points, 50.
Already first period action on mat number 6, and again, 2 seniors competing for a chance for a medal. Zach Schaefer, Brendan Westerveld on mat 6, no score early on.
Phenomenal from the get-go on mat 2 in the quarter, 7-0 lead for the freshman. The battle stadium versus number 3 versus number 4. We got a win-back pair of freshmen going to be standing on the podium this afternoon, Jay Willard.
Seconds remaining on mat number 4, 7-6, busting over Schubert. Good one going on mat number 4.
Over to let the whole world and around the city of Gary Sweat from home. We're going to be able to look up to a two-time qualifier to get a second straight medal.
Picking up the victory on mat number 4, winners the Vote Busman.
Coming on the podium in the city game, Tristan Compton from Hoisington. Ready to start period 2 on mat 2, where scoreless Candace Jones, the wrestling fraternity high school opponent Kirsten Dumas from Clay Center. The 145-pound bout, Stella Prairie View, ranked number 4.
Just getting started on mat 4, next company from Bueller. Taking on the Orioles, Luke Schreiner, the junior senior matchup at 4.
With final on mat number 1, Victor Vernon and Kara Herbert. Wellington to the K.R. Rancid, second as a senior according to wins on the season. He's ready to start period number 2 on lap number 3. We're coming from Albany and Kingsley Rangers. And just started on lap 1, Long Creek Smaller versus Elevator Mariana Bates. Action at 155 pounds. Entry number 2 for Elevator.
Seconds remaining on lap number 5. Chase Bell up 15-9.
We got a pair of girls' beats ping pongs that they turned into the head table. And then comes up Abby. Abby, if you're missing your beats, what are you doing?
The winner, Chase Pelton of Columbus on lap number 5. And your winner of the coffee field on lap number 6, Brendan Westervelt. Ready to start period 3 on